Hello everyone. In this video, I'll give you an honest review of Dropship.io, one of the most popular product research tools for dropshippers. Whether you're just starting your online store or already running one, this review will help you decide if Dropship.io is worth your money. I'll go over what it is, how it works, its major pros and cons, and who it's really for. So let's begin. Dropship.io is a product research and analytics platform designed for dropshipping businesses. It helps you find winning products that are currently trending and gives you the data you need to make confident decisions before selling. It's like having a full-time product research assistant, one that tracks millions of online products daily and highlights those performing best across platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and AliExpress. Now let's talk about how it works. Once you log in, you get access to several key features. The product database lets you browse through thousands of trending products, complete with sales trends, price history, and store links. You can use filters like category, price range, and sales volume to narrow down your search. Then there's the Store Analyzer, which allows you to see what's working in your competitors' stores, from their top-selling products to estimated monthly revenue. Another powerful tool is the Sales Tracker, where you can monitor specific products over time to see if they're stable or fading. And the Niche Finder helps you discover profitable niches with low competition, saving you tons of research time. Now let's move on to the pros. First, Dropship.io is extremely user-friendly. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, so even if you're a beginner, you'll figure it out fast. Second, the data accuracy is impressive. The platform updates frequently and pulls real-time information from verified Shopify stores, meaning you're not basing decisions on outdated numbers. Third, the competitor research tools are incredibly detailed. You can actually see what products are driving traffic to a store, which helps you strategize smarter. Fourth, the product ideas it provides are not random. They're based on real performance metrics, making it easier to find potential winners. And lastly, the platform saves an incredible amount of time. Instead of scrolling endlessly through TikTok or AliExpress looking for trends, Dropship.io delivers curated insights in minutes. But it's not perfect, so here are the cons. First, there's no free plan. You only get a short trial, and after that it's subscription-based, which might be tough for beginners on a budget. Second, while the product data is great, it doesn't automatically connect with your Shopify or WooCommerce store, meaning you'll still need to handle the importing process yourself. Third, because so many users have access to the same trending product lists, competition can rise quickly if you don't act fast. Fourth, the platform focuses mainly on product and store research, so it doesn't cover fulfillment, customer service, or ad creation. And finally, the learning curve for reading the analytics might take a few tries before you fully understand how to apply the insights. Now let's talk about who Dropship.io is best for. It's perfect for beginners who want a shortcut to finding profitable products without spending hours searching manually. It's also great for experienced sellers who want to track competition or validate product ideas using data instead of guesswork. However, if you're looking for a complete dropshipping system that handles everything from importing to order fulfillment, Dropship.io might not be enough on its own. It's mainly a research powerhouse, not a full business solution. So after using and testing it, here's the honest takeaway. Dropship.io is one of the most reliable and accurate product research tools out there. It can dramatically speed up your decision-making process, help you find trending products early, and give you insight into your competition's moves. The platform is ideal if you value data-driven results and efficiency. However, you'll still need to combine it with other tools for marketing, fulfillment, and store management. Overall, Dropship.io is a solid investment for serious dropshippers who want to build profitable stores faster. It's not magic, but it's powerful, smart, and worth considering if you want an edge in 2025's competitive e-commerce space. Subscribe the channel for more videos.